Hey you guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, High Maintenance TV. Today we're going to do another episode of Cece's Closet, and we're going to be doing a small Louis Vuitton unboxing. So if you are interested, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get to it. Okay, so I told you guys I was going to do my next unboxing video from my actual closet, which is very tiny and very standard, and I do believe the contents far exceed my space. But we're gonna start from the bottom. In my last unboxing video, I got right to unboxing the gifts. And usually when I watch unboxing videos, you guys start from here, like the shipping box, okay? So this is a Louis Vuitton package. It was an online purchase, came straight from Louis Vuitton. This is the package box that it comes in, okay? But I kind of want to get right to it, so I kind of skip the step of unboxing the actual box. But anyway, here's the gift. Here's something that I think is super cool, that a lot of the designer sites do not do. When you make a purchase online, usually you're just gonna get the item in a box and you can get it gift wrapped, which everything is kind of complimentary gift wrapped, but they don't usually send a gift bag. A gift bag is usually for an in-store purchase. And I noticed when I added something else to my cart, the option to add a gift bag went away. So I think it's only for like the jewelry, the fine jewelry, the really small pieces, that you can get a gift bag as an option as well, which I thought was cool because I use these for decorative stuff in my closet and other like repurposing. So I thought that was cute. The package, obviously, actually it was all of this in the box. The gifts, the bag, and then all the paperwork. And I already know what it is. So here we have the thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton purchase, all of that. I did read this already, and the only information on here that I thought was useful that I did not know already, well, I guess it's kind of common sense, was to not use any alcohol-based substances like perfumes, cosmetics, hand sanitizer, any disinfectants on your wrist, because this is a jewelry piece. This is it's costume jewelry, fashion jewelry, they call it, high-end costume jewelry, and so you don't want to put like your perfume on and then have direct contact with your jewelry because it will cause damage. So little information there. The sheet that you get on exchanging and returning, which you know we don't do those. If I got it, I wanted it, I'm keeping it. Return label, again, don't need that. This is going to be the item description, and then if you do get it as a gift, there'll always be, you have the option to do a personalized message. So if this is a to me from me and it's just like you just want to kind of like motivate yourself, say something nice, or if it's a gift from someone, they have the option to have that message put in there. And this message is to celebrate how far you've come, because oftentimes we wait until we accomplish the thing and then celebrate accomplishing that thing, when the journey is the most important part. Every step you take is a step closer towards it, and so you can celebrate every step and how far you've come right now. Stop right now and celebrate. So that's everything that came inside. I still have, did I misplace it? All right, so this is this card, which is going to give us all of our the description on the product and information and stuff like that. So here's all of our paperwork. Put that to the side, and now we will actually get our gifts. Okay, so again, they were nice enough to give us the complimentary gift bag. So let me just read it to you guys first, because I can't do all this at once. I mean, some of you guys know, I think I might have mentioned it in my first unboxing video when I did the Versace Mother's Day haul. We're under construction and going to be moving. We've outgrown this space a long time ago. And so when I move, the size of my new closet is going to be bigger than my current master bedroom. Okay, so I said, you know what, let me show the girls the crawl before you get to the walk and the fly and the soar. And so it just starts off real basic, but soon enough I'll be doing an unboxing on my new closet. Okay, so stay tuned for that. But so I'm limited with space and all of that, so I have to kind of, you know, be a little tight here. But anyway, it's a gift receipt, so it doesn't have the price on it, but I will share the pricing information with you guys. It's the Historic Mini Monogram Bracelet. I think this is in like their leather Essential Jewelry collection. It was really hard to find. It was really hard to find on the actual website, so you're gonna have to do some digging to find it, but it is there. You can literally type in everything. The code is M like Mary 6407 F like Frank, in case you want to look it up online. Again, this was an online purchase, and yes, this is the gift. This is the way it comes boxed. It's just a signature Louis Vuitton gift wrap. They're I have so many of these. They're not elastic like the Versace Greco ones that we can use for like headbands and chokers and bracelets and all of that. This is just like standard ribbon, but I guess you could figure out something to do with it, and if I ever do, I'll share it with you guys. Okay, so this is your little box. It comes in a nice pull out drawer boxy there. Okay, obviously it's going to come with the standard dust bag. Put that back. So you have your signature Louis Vuitton dust bag. I have a couple of other Louis Vuitton pieces. I don't have a whole large collection of Louis Vuitton right now. I think Versace is in the lead with like as far as which designers I have the most from. But this is I'm gonna get a lot more of these. These are like stackable kind of bracelets. If you need to scan the information, there you go, for purchase. And then also calf skin is the interior and the exterior, just more authentic verification cards, that kind of thing. Okay, so the bracelet, guys, and I'm going to add a product picture from the website because this is kind of small. And I'm also going to start, when I do the unboxings, as I grow, you guys know this is only my second video, but as I keep going, I'm going to do the unboxings, the overview, right? Because I guess that's the way you're supposed to do it. And this whole thing right here is more for like beauty bloggers and stuff, but whatever. For right now, we got humble beginnings, like I said. So this is the, I don't want to call it the wrong thing. Again, this is from the Leather Essentials collection, and this is the Historic Mini Monogram Bracelet. So it has the monogram on the sides, the Louis Vuitton monogram print, and then the hardware, obviously it's new, so it still has the plastic and stuff on it, so we'll take that off. And again, I'll add some product pictures in case you can't see that, but it has the Louis Vuitton name spelled out on both of the buckles here, which are gold, like I guess like not real gold, but gold metal, whatever the finish on it is. And I just opened it, but I'm going to show you guys. You press this little piece, this little top piece right here, and you press that, and then it comes apart. Okay, and so this is a size 17. They have two sizes. You can do a 17 or you can do a 19, and I actually measured my wrist to make sure, because I didn't want it to be like big and slipping and sliding and falling all over the place. And so I got a 17. Ouch. And I think I might have just Googled like how to measure your wrist or whatever. And so here it is, and I absolutely love it. They have so many different designs. They have ones that have like the little dangling pieces, LV. They have so many different ones, thicker ones, thinner ones, smaller ones. I have an Apple Watch, and I have the Louis Vuitton band for it. And so I wanted to like stack them. Like I see a lot of girls that have the bracelets, and they have several of them. And so they're like stackable, like my daughter does the Alex and Annie bracelets, and she has a gang of them. And so that's what I'm going to do with these. This piece was under $300, which I think is awesome. I'm going to add it to my watch, which also has this same print on it. And then I'll have the two. And I really don't want to keep it that way. I really want to wear the watch here and then wear this on this wrist. But then I'm going to need another one because this one is kind of thin just to stand alone. It's going to look cute with my watch, but just by itself, it is a bit small. But again, they're designed to be stacked and, for you to get the whole collection. So there you guys have it. Our Louis Vuitton Historic Mini Monogram Bracelet. I love it. Love, love, love. Super excited to add it to my collection. Remember, keep away the perfumes and the sanitizers and all your products and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm super happy to have it. Like I said, I'll show you guys this paired with the watch, so you can see what we're trying to serve the children when we put this on. I'm actually gonna wear it today. I'm gonna put on my Louis Vuitton bag, which is actually right there, and throw on my watch, throw on some gold hoops and some gold sandals, and go out for a date with my man. So there you guys are. Please make sure to subscribe to High Maintenance TV for more videos, more unboxing videos, more of Cece's Closet. And then also, you guys know I'm a film director and a book publisher, so I also share trailers for my new movies, and just pretty much all things high maintenance. So subscribe and like the channel, and thank you guys so much.